world. I'm top 1 centre back in Roguelock, been top 2 striker. This is how you play bunnies, or this is how you get top 1 basically. You mug. What I use jump power. You know, when I say on God I'm exploiting, on God I'm injected, on God I'm using jump power, I was never lying. I am a Christian, so I am truthful about this. I play 61. It's like the best. I never get mugged at all. Like, look. Only one who's like ever mugged me once and consistently, like he could go 1 out of 10 versus me, is Viz. No one else could mug me. So actually a good feat. Like people, Edwin, Viz, Sakat, Mohe, all of them are techers. Or like I have the bear tech, you know, I have like shit exploits. I don't know, I think they're also exploiting, but like, don't worry, I will be. You can play nothing over 61. 61 even a stretch, honestly. You just can't tech it all when you're playing 61, you have to play it like religiously. If you jump and tech, you're gonna fly. It's gonna be obvious, you might get PC checked. What else? You have to count your jumps too. If you do 1, 2, you're not allowed to jump after that. You don't want to be caught at all. Like Edwin, that one clip of him jumping 3 times, that was stupid. You're not meant to jump after the 2nd jump at all. Like what I do when there's a Nagi, I'll go for a mog normally, and then if they Nagi, I'll just jump. I won't jump at all, by the way. When I'm using Serpent, this is even too risky, you don't want to fly at all. You just want to press R normally. I'll play cooldown flow, I don't need hitbox flow. And you also want to be careful when you're defending people, yeah, let's say, I don't know, you're against Tatsu or something, you're against like a 5-3 dribbler. You don't want to be spam pre-jumping, because then you're going to jump 3 times on accident, like this. Oh no, you're gone. You have to just hold him too and swing. You want to play patiently. All I do is mog. I barely M2. I can get a king though, I can get a king. But kings, you don't want to IQ dive, it's like bad sometimes. Go like, just run up to him and then M2 him on. That's dumb. I think there's anything else in defense. Okay, but for offense though, you have to be more careful in offense. You mog a lot, 2 jumps. And the reason why you don't want to use jump power like too high. Look, I'm on 61 right now. If you're playing striker, you're gonna obviously be on Nagi. And with Nagi, you jump so much higher with jump power, so you have to like limit yourself. 60, even 60 is too much sometimes. But like, yeah, see, I jumped like way too high. Normally people just go 59. This is fine. Shouldn't get you caught really. So yeah, like, shout out to Rollway and Kalis for blacklisting me for having a toxic personality apparently. Shout out 37, I love his sister.